Welcome to Zay Life. So I hope you are well and healthy. Today we will be talking about all about the things that you need to know about COVID-19, such as what is coronavirus, what is COVID-19, what are the symptoms of COVID-19, who are at high risk of having COVID-19, and how does COVID-19 spread, and what can I do to protect myself from this virus. So if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that I will know that you like this kind of videos. I will also teach you guys how to make your own disinfectant and how to put a mask and dispose it properly. All my sources for this video are from World Health Organization, which I will link in the description box below. I highly recommend for you to check that for your own self so that you will be updated whenever there is a new discovery or an information. So without further ado, now let's start. So what is coronavirus? Coronavirus are a large family of viruses which may cause illness in animals and humans. In humans, several coronaviruses are known to cause respiratory infections ranging from common cold or more severe disease such as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome or what we know as MERS, and also severe acute respiratory syndrome or SARS. Next, what is COVID-19? COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by the most recently discovered coronavirus. It is called COVID-19 because the virus disease began in Wuhan, China in December of 2019. What are the common symptoms of COVID-19? The common symptoms are fever, dry cough, and tiredness. Some people may experience aches and pains, nasal congestion, runny nose, sore throat, and diarrhea. On average, it takes 5 to 6 days from when someone is infected to show these symptoms. However, it can take up to 14 days, or that means 2 weeks. That is why social distancing is really helpful. So who are at high risk in developing COVID-19? Older people and those with underlying medical conditions such as high blood pressure, diabetes, heart problems are more likely to develop this COVID-19. Remember, when you are experiencing cough, fever, and difficulty in breathing, you should seek medical attention as possible. How does COVID-19 spread? People can catch COVID-19 from person who have the virus. The disease can spread from person to person through small droplets from the nose or mouth, which are spread when a person with COVID-19 exhales or coughs. These droplets land on objects and surfaces which are around that person. Other people then catch COVID-19 by touching these objects or surfaces, then touching their eyes, mouth, and nose. People can also catch COVID-19 if they breathe in droplets from a person with COVID-19 who coughs out or exhales these droplets. This is why it is important to stay more than 1 meter or 3 feet away from a person who is sick. The World Health Organization is assessing ongoing research of the ways that COVID-19 can spread and will continue to share updated findings. That is why I recommend you guys for you to check the page of the World Health Organization for you to be updated so that you will know how to protect yourself. So what can you do to protect yourself and your family and to prevent the spread of this disease? Stay aware of the latest information on COVID-19 found in the World Health Organization webpage that I linked in the description box below. I highly recommend for you to check that out. So you can reduce the chances by being infected or spreading the coronavirus by taking some precautions. So these are the tips that you need to know to protect yourself and your loved ones from this virus. First is frequent hand washing with soap and water. So now I'm going to demonstrate to you how to wash your hands properly. The next precaution is to maintain at least 1 meter or 3 feet distance in between yourself and anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Why? Because when someone is coughing or sneezing, they spray small liquid droplets from their mouth or nose which may contain the virus. Fourth is make sure you and the people around you practice good respiratory hygiene. This means covering your mouth with your bent elbows when you are coughing or sneezing, or using a tissue and dispose it immediately. Now I will teach you how to properly wear a mask and dispose it. First, make sure that your hands are clean and you have washed it. Then, get your mask. Don't touch it. So, holding this band, you need to find where the top and the bottom is. The top is where the metal is, which is for the nose. So, put it in your ears. Then, pinch to make sure that it fits properly. So, guys, most masks, the blue one is for the outside and the white one is for the outside. Then pull this under. Make sure that it fits perfectly. So remember, in wearing a mask, you just don't cover your mouth, you also cover the nose, okay? So how to properly dispose the mask? Do not ever touch the blue one or the mask, but touch this ear band. Then make sure that it is away from your face. Then dispose it properly. Number 5 is to stay at home if you are feeling unwell. But if you are having a fever, cough, or difficulty in breathing, seek medical attention and call in advance. Follow the directions of your local healthcare authority. Why? Because your local healthcare authority will have the most up-to-date information about what is happening in the situation. So calling in advance will allow your healthcare provider to quickly direct you to the right facility. So now I will teach you how to create your own disinfectant at home. So you only need 2 ingredients. First is bleach or hypochlorite. Brand won't matter. And next is bleach. So the measurement will be 9:1. For example, I will be adding 9 cups of water. Then for that 9 cups of water, I will be only adding 1 cup of bleach. So it is important that you don't put too much bleach, and also you use gloves and masks in cleaning surface, especially when using bleach, because it can cause irritation. I hope you guys have learned something today about COVID-19, and I highly recommend for you to visit the webpage of World Health Organization for you to be updated. And I hope you are subscribed and hit that notification bell so that I will know that you like this kind of videos. And also comment down below what are the tips that you want to share so that we can prevent the COVID-19. And I hope you are well and healthy. God bless.